Hello everyone, this is Sai PHANINDRA from SQLSCHOOL. I'm the trainer for the ETL Admin course, a trending technology mainly suitable for experienced profiles. In ETL Admin, we'll be involved in big data, cloud computing, data warehouse, ETL extract, transform, load, BI implementations, and end-to-end workflow. Also learn about IoT, Internet of Things, data streaming activities, Spark, PySpark admin concepts, and lot more. Understand more about the actual technical beauty of our classes. In this beautiful ETL admin course, we'll be learning with complete step-by-step guidance on real-time scenarios, project for our resume, project solution, project FAQs, concept-wise FAQs, and lot more. In this course, we are going to have total of 4 modules. Module 1 is about core database administration activities planned for about 6 weeks duration. Module 2 is the cloud admin activities planned for 3 to 4 weeks. Module 3 is for ETL and data warehouse technologies planned for about 6 to 7 weeks, Monday to Friday. And module 4 is the main activity, ETL management and administration with big data, Spark cluster and other monitoring management concepts. This entire course is mainly into practical stuff with real hands-on activities. So I request you to ensure on-time practice throughout the course. If you are looking for a big pay scale, if you are looking for a nice rise in your pay scale, this course is for you. Let's meet live in the demo class to understand more about the actual classes. See you live in my intro class. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Let's sign up for a free demo class.